I am going to start second part of the active voice to passive voice. Now we are going to start second part of the active voice to passive voice. Where suppose just now I told you have as had given been, but now suppose instead of have as had, suppose instead of have has had, they have given can, will, could, would, should, may, must, might. Suppose they have given can, will, would, should, may, must, might, but not have as had. But not have as had. Such kind of auxiliary verb if they have given, at that time you have to take to join the sentence be. What you have to take to join the sentence be? Anything. If they have given he can complete the verb. If they have given he can complete the verb, you can write work can be completed by him. Suppose they have given he should pay the bill. Suppose they have given he should pay the bill. You have to write object in the beginning. The bill should be paid by him accordingly. Okay. So why I am going to use here be? Why I am going to use here be? Because they have not given here have, has, had. Because they have not given here have, has, had. Here they have given any other auxiliary verb. You must write be for have, has, had only. If they have given any other auxiliary verb, you have to write there be only. You have to write there be only. You have to write. Suppose now sentence. Now, we have seen first time when your have as it is given, you have to write be. But now, suppose they have given any other auxiliary verb. Instead of have as it, suppose they have given any other auxiliary verb like can, will, could, would, should, may, must, might. Such kind of auxiliary verb. Instead of have as it, suppose they have given any other auxiliary verb, you have to take be to join the sentence. It is very easy part. Anything they have given. So accordingly, suppose Pushpa can sell flowers on Sunday. So I have to write in the beginning flowers. Why? Because it is object. And active to passive voice, you have to write object in the beginning compulsory. Okay. After that, I told you, if they have given can, will, any other auxiliary verb instead of have as had, you have to write it as it is. So which is the auxiliary verb here? Can. So you can write here can as it is. Join the sentence by using be. And in active voice to passive voice, you must convert verb ka third form. You have to convert verb ka third form. So you can write here, what you can write sold. After that remaining part on Sunday. After that you have to write buy, and this name you have to write as it is. Okay. Now look in the second sentence. He should pay the bill. So you will write here the bill. After that, what you have write? Auxiliary verb, whatever they have given, right? Because have as that is not given. So whatever auxiliary they have given, should. So you can write should as it is. Join the sentence by using be. After that, pay is going to be converted into paid. After that, buy, and he is going to be converted to him. Now, in the next sentence, Anil will challenge me. What is the object here? I told you, object you will get after the main verb, not at the end of the sentence. I told you after the main verb. So, Anil is the subject, will auxiliary verb, challenge is the main verb, and me is what below object. Me is what object. So I can write me is going to be converted into I. Whenever you have to convert this him, if they have given, you can write here he. If they have given her, you can write here she. Such kind of object you have to convert in such a way. If they have given us, you can convert here we. And if they have given them, you can write here they accordingly. Okay. So I. What I can write here? I will. After that you have to write be. Again I am repeating, whatever auxiliary verb you have to given, then you have to write as it is without change. You don't have to change will into would, or shall into should, or may into might. As it is you have to write. So I will be. After that, challenged in the class by Anil. Now second sentence, last sentence you can convert. The decision. Now what you have to write below? Could. If they have given could, you will write could as it is. Join the sentence by using be. Take, third form of the verb. Taken. After that, what you have to write? Remaining part. They have not given in the sentence. So you have to write directly what? If they have not given remaining part, directly you can write what? By. So the decision could be taken by, and I is going to be converted into me. This I is going to be converted into me. In this way, we have converted what? We have completed second part of the change the voice active voice to passive. Now, in the first form, we have seen whenever am they have given, you have to write been to join the sentence. In second form, we have seen that if they have given any other auxiliary verb like can, will, should, would, such kind of the auxiliary verb if they have given, then you have to take be to join the sentence. But now, in third form, our doubt is there what if the given sentence is without any auxiliary verb. If the given sentence is without any auxiliary verb, at that time you have to use am, is, are or was, were. What you have to use? Am, is, are and was, were. If the given sentence is in the past tense, if the given sentence is in the past tense, you have to write was, were. And if the given sentence is in the present tense, you have to write am, is, are. Depend. Okay? According to the sentence. If it is in the past tense, you can write was, were. If it is in the present tense, you can write am, is, are. So now the first sentence. He bought a car on Sunday. Accordingly, you can write a car. Bought. Here they have not given any kind of auxiliary verb. After subject, they have not given any kind of auxiliary verb. So you can write either am, is, are or was, were. You can write either am, is, are or was, were. Now it is in the past tense. It is in the past tense. So you have to write what? Was. Car was. After that, you know that you have to write past participle of the main verb. So a car was bought on Sunday. By. He is going to be converted into him. Okay, now she made cake in the kitchen. What do you have to write? Cake. Now, given sentence is in the past tense. So what you can write? Was. Cake was. After that, what do you have to write? Made. In the kitchen. By. Cake was made in the kitchen by. She is going to be converted into her accordingly. Okay. Now he saves life of birds in the forest. So accordingly, first of all, you have to write object. Life of birds. Okay. Now I have written here life of birds. Okay. Accordingly, what happened? Given sentence is in the present or past. You have to decide. Now in the previous sentence, it bought in the past tense. Made in the past tense. Now saves, it is in the present tense. So accordingly, it is given in the present tense. You can write am, is, are. So you have to write life of birds is. After that, saved is going to be converted to saved in the forest. By. In the forest by. He is going to be converted into him. Okay. Now last sentence. They kill hunter in the morning. They kill hunter in the morning. So first of all, object, subject, verb. After that, what you will write? Object. So hunter. It is in the present tense. So you have to write is. Kill is going to be converted into killed in the morning. But they is going to be converted into them. So we have completed one third form of the change the voice. Whenever they have not given any kind of the auxiliary verb, you have to write am, is, are and was, were. Okay. Now last type of active voice to passive voice is what? If the given sentence with ing form, if the given sentence with in the continuous form, ing form is what? In the continuous form, like she is making form, it means what? Continuous form. They were playing, it is also what? Continuous form. Okay, so whenever such kind of sentences are there in the ing form, you have to take to join the sentence being. You have to take to join the sentence being. Okay, first of all you have to write object my robe. After that you have to write is as it is, and ing is given, so you have to write to join the sentence being. My robe is being pulled by. She is going to be converted to her. Now, Pushpa was collecting flowers. So first of all, you have to write flowers. Was is going to be converted to where? Why? Because it is in the plural form. Because flowers is in the plural form. So whenever it is in the plural form, you can convert was into where it is common sense. So you can write here where, and ing is there. So you have to write being. Flowers were being. Collect is going to be converted into collected, and after that we have to write by, and this Pushpa. Flowers were being collected by Pushpa. You can write it here also. Okay. Now, Sheila is managing office in the city. Accordingly, first of all you have to write office is ing is there. So what you will take to join the sentence? In the beginning only I told you. What you have to take to join the sentence? Being. So office is being managed in the city by. Sheila is given, so you can write here Sheila. Okay. Now my brother is writing a letter, so you write first of all a letter. After that what is, ing is there, so you write being. Right is going to be converted to written by my brother. Accordingly you have to write as it is my brother. So we have seen this active voice to passive voice in the four form. Okay, first form, whenever they have given have as and be, and then the auxiliary verb be. Without auxiliary verb, am is an was where, and ing is given, you have to write be. Okay. Now after that we have to start what? Passive to active.